Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this Easter themed breakable box. So starting off, you're going to be needing some white, brown, orange, yellow, black, and pink chocolate. And for the decorations, you're going to be needing bunny ears and 3 eggs, which I used jelly beans, and the bunny ears I got those at Walmart, but you can make them yourself. You're also going to need some white pearl sprinkles, and this is optional, but you can use some white dye to color your chocolate to make it whiter, like I am doing here. This is why I said it was optional, because I almost used like my whole bottle of that little thing to color like around 3 cups of chocolate. And yeah, I was almost the whole thing, and it wasn't as white as I wanted it to be. So once you're done with the first coat, you're gonna add a second coat. Personally, I only add a second coat to the sides since it's what it really needs it for it to not break, but you can also do the whole heart if you want to. Once we're done with the heart, we're gonna put it to the side. We're gonna start working on the bunny prints. Personally, I'm using my iPad with parchment paper on top and then lining it with the chocolate, which is what I find easy. But you can also like print the paper out, or you can even freestyle it, but I'm not that good, so I'm doing this method. And what, as you can see here, I'm tracing it with black because like I was like following the picture, but honestly I didn't really like the black lining, so just do like the white and pink part for it to look nicer. And while we wait for those to dry, I'm going to be working on the bunny tail, which I just did a circle of chocolate. For size like comparison, I compared it to that like sprinkle lid. And then while it's still wet, you want to make sure you put the pearls on top. And then once the print is dried, you can add the white to it so it won't mix together. Now you want to make sure it's completely dry, because the first one I almost tried to take it out while I was still wet and I kind of messed it up. So yeah, make sure it's completely dry. Then you just stick them onto the bunny heart. Make sure it's upside down. You stick them on. Make sure you add a lot of chocolate so they can stick on really well, and hold it on there so it won't like start coming off. That is it for the heart. Now for the strawberries, you're gonna need an orange one, a white one, a yellow one, a brown one, which I didn't record, a white one, and then another pink one. For the carrot strawberry, all you do is drizzle on some orange onto the strawberry while it's still wet. You want to crumble on some of that Oreo on top to make it look like dirt. For the bunny one, I didn't record the first part, but you just remove the leaves and then you stick on those ears and then draw some lashes, do a little W for the mouth, and then for the nose, you just do an upside down heart. For the little baby chicken, this is my favorite one. All you do is draw on 2 little dark dots for the eyes, and then using orange, you want to do a little beak, like a little upside down triangle, and you also do the feet. Just do like little V's. And then with the yellow, you want to draw like his little hair and his little arms. Just do also like little V's. And then with a toothpick and chocolate, I just dotted on some pupils. Now for the next one, you just take some white chocolate and mix it a little bit with some brown to make this like light brown chocolate, and then just do little swirls and then add on the jelly beans on top. For the flower one, you just take some green, make some leaves. I wish I would have gone higher though, so if you're doing yours, make sure you go higher, just because I thought the flowers were really low like in the strawberries. Make sure you go higher. Then for the Easter egg, you just take some yellow or whatever color you want to mix them with, and then just do little swirls and then dots and then lines, and then repeat that, swirls, dots, lines. And that is it for the videos, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Here I'm just showing you how I'm packaging up, or how I would package it. This was just for sample pictures. So yeah, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down which one was your favorite Easter egg themed strawberry I made. Personally, I really like the chicken just because I thought it was the cutest. If you stay tuned, if you stayed until the ending of the video, make sure you watch my next video. I'll be doing a giveaway. I didn't do a giveaway for February, so I'm gonna be doing 2 giveaways. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be giving away, so comment on some ideas what you think I should give away. So again, thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.